Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money on Revolut. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your finances, send and receive money, and exchange currencies at competitive rates. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account. If you don't have one, download the Revolut app, sign up, and go through the verification process. Once your account is set up, you can start sending money. First, open the Revolut app and log into your account. On the dashboard, you will see the option to send money. Tap on this option to proceed. You will be asked to enter the recipient's details, including their name, email address, phone number, or Revolut username. If the recipient is already a Revolut user, you can search for them by their username or phone number. If not, you can enter their bank details, including the account number and sort code or IBAN and BIC. Make sure to double-check the recipient's details to avoid any mistakes. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. Revolut supports multiple currencies, so you can send money in the currency of your choice. You will see the exchange rate and any applicable fees before you confirm the transaction. After entering the amount and currency, you will be asked to review the transaction details. Check that all the information is correct, including the recipient's details, amount, and currency. If everything is correct, tap on the Send button to complete the transaction. The recipient will receive the money in their account, usually within a few minutes. You will also receive a confirmation notification once the transaction is complete. You can track the status of your transaction in the Revolut app. Some best practices to keep in mind when sending money on Revolut include double-checking the recipient's details, being aware of any applicable fees, and using the latest version of the Revolut app. Additionally, make sure to keep your account and login details secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, sending money on Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, using the Revolut app.